Um, well, as you know, you've seen. Have you? I don't know if you've seen my film Lapata Ladies.
Yes, last year, in fact, I was there. You were here just a
Yeah.
day before the release, and
That's right. That's
yeah,
right.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And I wish you good luck for that as well. I
Yes.
remember.
Yeah.
एकजुटीनं पेटल रान तुफान आलया काळ्या भुईच्या भेटीला हे आभाळ आलया
आपल्या सर्वांचे लाडके आमिर खान.
एकजुटीनं पेटल रान तुफान आलया काळ्या भुईच्या
देवेंद्र जी, ये जो है सिर्फ मतलब हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स भी हैं. हर साल ये दूसरे गांव में जाके और शेतकरी को बताते हैं कि हमारे साथ क्या हुआ, हमें क्या यश मिला. दे आर एक्चुअली आवर सोल्जर्स, आवर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स. शेतकरी लोग आप तो तैयार हैं. पानी के फ्रेंड्स शांति भाव, अमित, एवरीवन रेडी? पानी टीम रेडी? पूर्ण महाराष्ट्र
पाहिलं पाहिजे. या अतिशय महत्वाकांक्षी स्पर्धेचा श्री गणेशा होतोय याच मंचावरून महाराष्ट्राचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीसजी यांच्या हस्ते.
पिचलेला इझलेला टाहो कधी न कुणा कळला तळमळली
Third year of Pani Foundation's Farmer Club. The energy here is absolutely exciting. It's crazy. Everyone's so excited. The Chief Minister was here. What's your thought, Kiran, on this?
Oh my God. I think, every year we feel that this year, nothing can be better than the year that we're in. But this year, again, we feel that we've outdone ourselves. The program was so beautifully put together by Suresh, Lippy, the whole team of Pani Foundation. Everybody who participated, the villagers who came on stage and participated, the dance drama with the, sort of all the visuals, the videos. It was a very moving ceremony for me. I really felt deeply connected to what we are doing also. I think it was very clear how passionate everybody is about Gatasheti, about community agriculture. So yeah, it was really wonderful.
I was here last year as well, and this year you guys, with the Chief Minister, have announced that you are going to go all out, all Maharashtra. How are you involved? How are you involved in it? How is your day with Pani Foundation? If you could just tell us a bit about it.
Well, actually, Pani Foundation is a huge, huge organization in which actually, in many ways, all of us who live in Mumbai are quite peripheral. The real work is being done by all our taluka coordinators, our state level coordinators, our teaching teams, the professors from agricultural universities. So honestly, Satya and Lancy and Suresh and Lippy and Sahil, who lead the team primarily from Pune and Mumbai, they are the ones who do the work of the hard work of doing everyday work. Amir and I, you come in on sometimes a weekly, sometimes a bi-monthly basis. We do reviews, we do, conversations on what we can be doing differently. And yeah, we are more sort of involved in a think tank capacity to problem solve and to, think of the way forward.
Sampurna Maharashtra, was this a part of the strategy? Had you guys in the think tank planned it and have the team in place? And is there a financial year planning to it, or it was just very impromptu today?
No, it has been in talks for a while. We weren't very sure. Every year we keep hoping we'll do it, but we are a cautious bunch of people, and it's until we were very sure that what we are doing is not just successful but is scalable,
Right.
And we can build capacity to go statewide. We didn't want to commit to it. So I think this year we feel confident. In the third year, we also had a third-party review in KPMG's report, and the findings are, beyond encouraging. They are absolutely unbelievable, actually.
Right.
So it would be a absolute shame if we didn't extend the program to the rest of Maharashtra.
Right.
So we are now gearing up. It will take a lot more time in terms of team building, in terms of tech support, and planning, strategizing. So we will probably take longer than usual to get to that stage, but we are, I think, now ready.
Right. I think you guys have a fabulous team. The think tank is amazing as well. We are sure you will be there. But while you're on ground with this a bit, do you think there's a script for farmers and something like that in the making?
Well, as you know, you've seen. I don't know if you've seen my film Lapata Ladies.
Yes, last year, in fact, I was there. You were here just a
Yeah.
day before the release, and
That's right. That's
yeah,
right.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And I wish you good luck for that as well. I remember.
Yeah. So I tried to do a little bit of a Lapata Ladies sort of homage, a nod to our farmers,
Right, yes.
tribute to our farmers, and all the things that they are learning in terms of natural pest management. And we did a sticky trap moment in the film.
Yes.
I think I haven't yet got an idea for just a film only about what we are doing, but creatively, because we were shooting a film in India's villages, I had to use the
Right.
model of Pani Foundation and talk about studying agriculture, best practices, and natural pest management kind of methodology. So yeah, I don't know full film, but certainly what we do here inspires what I do on screen.
Right. Well, you guys are doing a great job. And coming here year after year, it's only validated with the numbers and the participation.
Yeah.
So all the luck, and
Thank
you
you.
guys are doing a fabulous job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
भारल्या वाणी शिवार झालया